Okay guys, I'm back. So yeah, I was looking through the videos. It wasn't that bad. So I'm a non-stop. You shoot this thing. It doesn't have a lot of bullets, so I don't want to reload it that fast. Just wait. Gosh, okay. I'm gonna reload it. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna reload it really quick. Bam. Because in the other videos I shot it a bunch of times. So that's why I wanna do a quick reload. Let's try to get this up to 1 minute. So I have a quick okay. There you go. Okay, 1 minute. We did this in 1 minute. So reload this baby. No, just gosh, because this thing is not. There you go. Now let's put no skills like that. So I'm non-stop shoot this thing. Then here, I really want to use all my bullets. Down there, one right there, one right there. No. So yeah, and that wasn't all the bullets, but that was most of them, all of them. So as you guys, I don't want to really use all my bullets. So yeah, and I'm really strong. Could go through a lot of bullets, and it's kind of a slow reload, but it's still a good gun. You just have to go like that, and like that, and like that. But you have to take cover. You have to make other people fight. You won't be the first one to get killed. Yeah. So that was that video. Bye.